Welcome to the Meditation Explainer series. Today we are looking at how long you should practice for and how often. One of the best things about meditation is that you get to decide what works for you. So much of our lives are about immediate rewards and outcomes, but meditation is all about the journey. You should practice for the length of time and with a regularity that is comfortable for you right now, and try to build on that at a pace that works for you. When you start finding that a short, regular, and achievable practice is possible, you can extend the length or frequency of your practice if you're ready to do so. Try these tips for developing your practice length and frequency. Start with a comfortable length of practice. There's no need to hurry. Try 5 or 10 minutes at first. Try to let go of expectations that you'll feel more relaxed or calm or focused while you're doing it or when you're done. Just sit and let your experience be whatever it is. However long you decide to sit for, try to sit for that amount of time, no less and no more. When things are going well, we tend to want them to keep going, and when they're not going well, we tend to want them to stop. But meditation is all about being with whatever is, without too much expectation or judgment. It's a great way to learn that the bad won't be around forever, but neither will the good. Remember that meditation is not a race. While we encourage you to set an intention, be careful with setting goals. Intentions allow us to commit to doing something, but with flexibility such that we can accommodate all that life throws our way. Goals have a way of disappointing or interfering with our motivation when we don't achieve what we'd like or get there as fast as we'd like. Most meditation teachers recommend people work their way up to between 20 and 40 minutes of practice on a near daily basis. Of course, the length and frequency of practice will vary with your goals. If you're just trying to feel a little bit more relaxed, you probably don't need quite as much as if you're trying to establish emotional balance. If you're going to try to practice daily, giving yourself a day off can really help with your mindset if you miss a day. It may take no time at all or many weeks or months before you notice change. Watch for subtle changes in your experience. Try to explore your inner world with curiosity and openness. And remember, if you have another question, the Contemplative Studies Centre are here to help. And as always, we wish you an enriching meditation experience.